Let's be real. Talking about money can be as fun as a root canal. But here's the deal. Understanding your personal finances is the key to unlocking a life of freedom and abundance. It's about taking control of your money, instead of letting it control you. Financial literacy is not about being a math whiz, it's about understanding the basics. Budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Just like learning to drive, it might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. The first step is taking stock of where you are right now. How much money do you earn? What are your expenses? Do you have any savings or investments? Are you in debt? Once you have a clear picture of your current financial situation, you can start setting goals and making a plan to achieve them. Remember, financial peace isn't about being a millionaire overnight, it's about making smart choices today that will set you up for a brighter tomorrow. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. A budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to spend on what truly matters to you. Think of it as a roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or simply sleeping soundly at night, knowing you're in control. The easiest way to create a budget is to track your income and expenses for a month. You can use a simple spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a pen and paper. Once you have a good understanding of where your money is going, you can start making adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Do you really need that daily latte or that expensive gym membership you rarely use? Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices about your money every day. So be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and don't be afraid to adjust your budget as your needs and goals evolve. Saving money is like planting a seed. It might seem small and insignificant at first, but with time, patience, and a little bit of compound interest, it can grow into a mighty oak tree. Start by setting up an emergency fund, a financial safety net that will protect you from unexpected expenses such as a job loss or a medical emergency. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Once you have a healthy emergency fund, you can start thinking about investing your money to grow your wealth. There are many different investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you're not comfortable managing your own investments, consider working with a financial advisor. Debt can be a major roadblock on your journey to financial freedom. It can prevent you from achieving your goals, keep you trapped in a cycle of payments, and cause unnecessary stress and anxiety. The first step to conquering debt is to stop digging yourself deeper. Avoid taking on new debt whenever possible and focus on paying down your existing debt as quickly as you can. There are two main approaches to debt repayment: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates, while making minimum payments on all other debts. This method can provide a psychological boost by giving you quick wins and motivating you to keep going. The avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off your highest interest debts first. This method can save you money on interest charges in the long run. Once you've tackled your debt, you can focus on building a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. This includes saving for retirement, investing in your children's education, and protecting your assets with insurance. Remember, managing your personal wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. So be patient, stay disciplined, and never stop learning and growing your financial knowledge. The rewards are well worth the effort.